April 2026. This is the anniversary of our first ever Azure Standard drop 5 years ago. We've been hosting drops here in Dameron Valley, Utah. St. George Protective Diet drop is where we're at. And we're last to bring our stuff right into our little house there. Jerry and I live here and host this drop. And we are so grateful to have all of this fresh produce arrive from Azure Standard this month. You know, my orders are always produce heavy. I've got my grains stocked up deep, but the Cara oranges, this is my second case this season. Oh, they're so gorgeous. I can't get enough of them. I have a case of cabbage here for the craveable cabbage on a protective diet. Oh my gosh, we love our cabbage. And this time of year, this carries me through until my garden gets started. Not quite. I'm sure I'll have some more in next month's order. We have some rice here and a case of onions. And everyone at our drop today was like, what are you going to do with all those onions? And I'm like, well, come inside. I'll show you. I'm going to dice these up and put them in my freezer so it makes cooking fast. And I take those diced onions and frozen corn and cranberries sometimes, and I put them right under the broiler and brown them up oil-free on a protective diet. And then we have gold potatoes. Oh my gosh, we're making Greek potatoes, we're making German style potatoes, all oil-free, of course. And we're going to be making some smash browns. What do you think, Jerry?
Oh yeah.
We have a 25-pound bag of multicolor popcorn. You know how Jerry and I love this whole grain snack. This is one of the most affordable, kid-friendly snacks. You know, big kids like Jerry and I. We air pop it and salt it and spray it with water to get it to stick. If you've seen my other videos, I share that all the time because we're always eating that. Let's see, what else do I have here? Oh my gosh, I have so much going on. What's in here? Okay, here we've got lacinato kale. You know how beautifully they wrap this? I've got 2 bunches for our dry steamed kale, for kale and dumplings. Oh, kale, 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 I love you. And then here, let me come around. I think because that case of onions wasn't enough for me, I had to have some more. I needed red onions so that I could pickle them in our probiotic pickled onions. Those are fermented onions on a protective diet. Oh, red onions, I love them. And beets for nitric oxide. I love the fresh beets, just peeled and sliced and julienned into a salad. Garlic, of course, organic garlic. I have so much coming up in my garden, but I'm a lazy harvester. We've got French green lentils to sprout and castor oil to basically pour all over my face every night. I love castor oil. And I whip that into a derma cream, a whipped derma cream. Oh my gosh, it's so lush and hydrating. And this is Jamie's package. You can see some people didn't make it on time to the drop today, so their packages are out here waiting for them. And we're going to move them over into the shade. But we had such a great group of people here today. I met some new friends and saw some old friends. Thank you, Azure Standard, for bringing our community together with a focus on very healthy ingredients, organics. We love you. Take care.
And best of health.